what's going on, man? It's your boy Marcel. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a washing style. All right, man, let's get into it. So with your washing styles, man, you wanna make sure you go ahead and get your comb first. The comb is essential. I already combed my hair out. Y'all can just see how I'm working. I'm gonna just do a twirl for y'all. It's really fast, really simple. Y'all see how I'm working? How to wash and style your hair when it's super low, right? So I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need to be using. Don't use a hard brush. So you wanna make sure you wet your hair. And secondly, after you wet your hair, you're gonna get your shampoo. You run your hair under the water for like 30 minutes so you can get perfect lather. And swirl it around. Just like this. And then you can take some from the top, go like this. Push it back a little bit. And if your hair needs more, you could add another one. So right now, if you are a intermediate waver, you can do the scramble wash, but if you're not, just go ahead and start using the medium brush. All right, man, so after you scramble wash your hair, you wanna go ahead and get your medium brush. I'm gonna do one more scramble wash, but in the next clip, I'm gonna be actually using the brush. All right, let's go. Alrighty, man, so I lathered up my hair. You can see how it's looking. Looking pretty decent. Now, if your hair is low, you wanna use a medium brush. Make sure you use a medium brush so you don't mess up your scalp, because if you damage your scalp, then your hair won't grow. So after you get that perfect lather, just brush all around. So when using a medium brush, your hair is super low, you have to go over it a few times to really get it laid down. A few times. Especially when if your hair is at like a 2 or 3 maybe, then you can possibly get it to lay down faster. I'm only uploading on Saturdays and Sundays, so I'll probably upload one video on Saturday, one video on Sunday. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, hit the notification button, and also subscribe to the team. It also helps with the algorithm of YouTube. Marcel, I'll catch you on the next one. Like I always say, peace.